Hey everyone! Today, the title of this video is How to Find Free and Paid PNG Images for Your T-Shirt Designs. Okay, you want to look for transparent PNG files, as I talked about and explained what transparent PNG files are in the previous video. You want to Google transparent PNG images to find images to use if you don't know how to use Photoshop. If you know how to use Photoshop, great, you're ahead of the ball game. And you can use Photoshop to design your images for your t-shirt designs. But for those of you who don't know how to use Photoshop, that doesn't mean you can't start a t-shirt design business. You can still start a t-shirt design business. I use pixabay.com, which the link will be below the video to Pixabay, and there will also be other ones. Pixabay is a royalty-free stock images website. You can go on there and pick out all kinds of transparent images to use for your t-shirt designs. I just love Pixabay. That's where I get a majority of my images from for my t-shirt designs. Now, as far as paid, there is places where you can buy paid, like iStock Photos, friendlystock.com. Just go on Google, do a search for transparent PNG images, depending on what you're looking for. Say you're looking for a peace sign, you want to make a hippie design. So you'll go on to Google and you'll do a search on there for peace sign transparent PNG, and then click on images in Google and it'll bring all these photos up. And then you go scroll through them, and when you find something you like, click on it, see what website it's from. Make sure it's from Pixabay or a paid site if you want to pay for your images. Images can cost you anywhere from $5 a piece on up. So, occasionally if I come across an image that I really like and it's a paid image, I'll buy it. It just depends on what design I'm planning on using it for, and if I think that t-shirt design is going to make me some money. So yeah, it's a pick and choose game. It just depends what you like, what you're designing. But there are many websites out there for free stuff and paid stuff. With your free stuff, you want to make sure it either says royalty-free stock or free for commercial use. Those are the images that you're allowed to use to design t-shirts, and no one's going to complain. You're not going to have anybody come after you for copyright infringement and trademark, any of that. If you see PNG files that say personal use only, your best bet is to not use them, because TeePublic has monitors. The people monitor stuff and they get intellectual property right claims. And when somebody claims that your shirt is using one of their images, they'll take your shirt out of the store. Your design will disappear and they'll send you an email saying, sorry, your design was removed. So, try not to use personal use ones. Occasionally I do, it just depends on the image itself. I've been doing this for 1.5 years now, so I've learned a lot of what I can and can't. So when you're first starting out, it's best not to use personal use images. Use the ones that say royalty-free stock or commercial use. When you go on to Google and do searches, like I said, there's iStock, and I can't think of all the different ones. Friendly Stock. Friendly Stock is a place that I buy some graphics, some images from for like $5 a piece. Sometimes they'll have a bundle for like 15, and then it's an image in different kinds of poses and all kinds of stuff. Sometimes I'll buy a bundle deal too, depending on what shirts I want to make. And if I can use more than one image in that bundle, yeah, it's worth it to pay $15 for a bundle. So just be careful what you're doing, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm open to answering questions. I also run a business, consulting business, where you can call and talk to me for an hour. I charge a small fee for that. That'll be in the link on my website, which is below the video. Just check the description below this video. There'll be a bunch of different links to different things that will be of use to you. I promise you that. Okay guys, that's it for now. Just please make sure when you're looking for transparent PNG images, you use royalty-free stock or commercial use. Stay away from the personal use only ones. Bye guys. Don't forget, give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to have lots of helpful videos coming up about t-shirt designs, and I do videos about all kinds of things. I've been working online for 24 years, so I've got a lot of knowledge to share with everybody. Alright, bye guys.